All right, guys. So this is the today's continuation of the snowstorm. Yep, we did all the driveway and everything yesterday. Shoveled a bit yesterday. Ugh. But as you can see, it's like we didn't do it. Yep, and I think there's one more step. Yeah, so that's awesome. Anyways, there's the snowblower. Car's a little buried, and it's never going to stop. It was supposed to stop. It stopped yesterday for a little bit, but it seems to have started right back up again. So, time to go do some shoveling.